Hi, welcome to my vlog. So today is very special day to our kahit malayo siya, paramdam natin sa kanya na parang totoo na kasama ko siya, na nandiyan siya sa tabi ko. So gagawa ako ng cake para sa kanya, pero ako naman ang kakain. So because araw ng mansari namin ngayon, gawa ako ng cake para sa kanya dahil 7 month na kami. Happy 7 months sa baby loves, I love you. Kahit malayo ka, gawin ako ng paraan na iparamdam sa iyo na mahal na mahal kita, na kahit hindi pa tayo nagkita in person, minahal kita ng totoo. At sana ganun din ang pagmahal mo sa akin, tunay na walang halong chemical, charot. So nagawa ko ng cake para sa iyo. Sana magustuhan mo, sana ma-appreciate mo mga effort ko, na para maramdaman mo na mahal na mahal kita. So yun lang. Happy 7th anniversary. Love you, love. So let's jump to the sweetie. But sorry, it's not perfect. Ito na ating sweetie colorful cake. Kasi ikaw nagbibigay kulay ng buhay. Cake, but sorry, it's not perfect, but I'm perfect for you. Charot. Sana magustuhan mo, baby loves, yung ginagawa ko para sa iyo, para sa 7th anniversary natin. And I hope you like this. Sana ma-appreciate mo ang mga sweetie effort ko. Para maramdaman mo naman na kahit malayo tayo sa isa't isa, parang nasasabi mo na ako, yun lang. And happy 7th Mansari. I wish more Mansari to come. God bless our relationship. I love you.
It all came so easy. All the loving you gave me, the feelings we shared, and I still can remember how you touched me so tender. You told me you cared. We had a once in a lifetime, but I just couldn't see it until it was gone. A second once in a I swear from now on, if ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time will never end. I'm seeing clearly how I still need you near me. I still love you so. There's something between us that won't ever leave us. There's no letting go. We had a once in a lifetime, but I just didn't know it till my life fell apart. A second once in a lifetime isn't too much to ask, 'cause I swear from the heart